Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to show you how to change the headlight bulbs on this 2023 Ram pickup truck. Alright guys, pop the hood and I'm going to show you the location of these bulbs. So you have this cover here, that's for the high beam, and there's another cover right in there, but you can't even get your hand in there to get that out. On the passenger side, it's the same situation. You can't even put your hand in there to replace this. Now, I've seen some people that actually take out the whole headlight, but that involves taking this out, taking out the part of the grill, taking the headlight out. It just sounds like a lot of work to me. So I'm going to try to get to it through the fender well here. Now, the funny part is, see this? It looks like this was supposed to have like an access panel, but they never installed it. It's just kind of weird how you have the markings for the cutout. So what you need to do is remove some of these screws and get your hand, pull this down and get your hand in there. All right guys, turn the wheel so you have better access. I'm using a 5/16 to break these guys loose, and you can probably use an 8mm too. Okay. I'm just gonna take these off by hand. All right. If I was home, I would have my power tools. This would be done already. But I'm visiting, so I don't have any tools really. Okay, I pulled back this fender well cover, and now you can see the cover for the headlight. And actually right next to it is the side marker light, which is this one right here. So that one, so this cover, you could now get to it, turn it counterclockwise. It's tight. But once you take that off, you have access to your bulb right there. All right, I threw on some gloves for this part. So you're gonna take your bulb, you're gonna twist it counterclockwise and pull it out. There you go. That's what your bulb looks like. Now next you need to disconnect it. All right guys, it's a little hard for me to show you this. I'm reaching at it from the bottom, but see on top here where my finger is, there's a tab there. You're gonna push that tab and pull out the bulb. So reach somehow, trying to do this with one hand, but it's not working. So you're gonna push the tab. There you go. I was able to do it with one hand, and now your bulb is out. All right, this is what your bulb looks like. It's a H11. So get yourself new bulbs. Always wear gloves when you're dealing with these bulbs, because the oil in your hand messes up the bulbs, okay? All right, guys, H11s is the bulbs you need, okay? Okay, guys, I connected the bulb. We just got to put it right back into the assembly, okay? When you put this in, you're going to put it in. Once it's fully seated, you're going to turn it clockwise to lock in place, and now you're done. Next, you're going to put in your cover. Let's see if I can put this in there. All right. So put in the cover. And this is the same way. Once you get it in there, you're gonna hold on a second. So once it's fully seated, turn it clockwise to lock in place. Now you're done doing that. You got to put this cover back in place, and you put your screws, okay? That's right back. Okay. There you go. Put your screws on. All right, for the passenger side, it's the same procedure. You're gonna take off these screws, peel back the fender cover, get in there and do your thing. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.